Good evening to all. I am here to present a speech on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist who later became the 11th President of India. He was one of the respected person of the country. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, properly known as the Missile Man of India, was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He studied physics and aerospace engineering. His contribution to the India Space Research Organism is unforgettable. He was the first scientist to occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Kalam was also known as People's President. He worked with the Indian Space Research Organisation ISRO and Defence Research and Development Organisation DRDO as a aerospace engineering. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missiles and launch vehicle technology. Also in 1998, he made significant contribution to Pokhran 2 nuclear testers. He had also served as the project director of Indian first satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 at ISRO. He was recipient of several prestigious awards including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilization honor in 1990s, Padma Bhushan in 1981 and Padma Bhushan in 1919 from Government of India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam has been a legend and every person respected this great personality for his achievement, contribution and his simplicity. He dedicated his whole life to the development of the country. During his life, he visited thousands of schools, colleges, and tried to motivate the youth of the country to work of the development of the country. Unfortunately, we lost this great personality on 27th July 2015 at the age of 83 due to a sudden cardiac attack. The death of APJ Abdul Kalam is a great loss for India, but his contribution for India will always be remembered. Thank you all. Have a nice day.